In this quick video guide, I want to show you this really nice website which is called onlineconvert.com, and you can find this by searching free online convert. This is a totally free tool that you can use. It's a totally free website, and you can convert a lot of multimedia formats, a lot of media files by just dragging or uploading them from your computer and then waiting for the converted file to be downloaded. Now I will show you a couple of things, tips and tricks that you can find on this website. So this is the first, the home page of the website. So you can start from here if you want to, for example, convert an audio file from, let's say, mp3 to WAV, or maybe you want to convert a video or convert an image, which can be a picture from your camera or from another device, and you want to convert it into a JPEG or PNG or something more compressed. Or also you can convert a JPEG into a JPEG if you just want to change the resolution and other characteristic of that file. Now, other things really interesting that you can do here is you can convert other software like PowerPoint, Excel, Word from Microsoft Office. You can convert PDF to Word or Word to PDF. So you have a lot of choices. This is what I really like about this website, is that you have a lot of possibilities. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you have some more information. You can see the most popular conversion that are out there, like PDF to Word or mp4 to mp3. So this is converting a video into an audio file. This is also something really handy that you can do. So let's say that you have a video about music, of a song. You can change that and create an mp3, and then you can use your mp3 in your smartphone or wherever. And well, you can have a look here. You also have like EPUBs or ebooks that you can download into PDF, or vice versa. You have really a lot of options. Now you can also get the add-on for Firefox here, or the application from the Chrome web store, so you can apply it to your Google Chrome as an extension if you want, or you also have it in Google Play and the Apple Store as a web app, so you can use this also in the smartphone. Now you can see here the last use converter, and also if you're looking for something really specific, you can try to search for something here. So for example, let me search mp4 to mp3 just to make an example, and say go, and this is gonna show me all the results here, and you can see I have an mp4 to mp3 converter. So if I open this up, there you go. Now basically anything that you can convert, it's right here on the left as well, and all you need to do is drag and drop the file that you want to convert. So in my case, I will go, for example, in my download folder, and well, I don't have a video right now, but I will show you with an image. But it's the same thing. You just drag and drop your file, or you can click here and choose the file from your computer. So you can click or drag and drop. Pretty easy. And then you can also change something here. Always have a look here to the optional settings below, because they will give you some opportunities, like to create a smaller file if you of course decrease the quality. So the more you decrease the quality, the more it's gonna decrease the size of your file, or maybe because you want to send it via email, or maybe because you think it's too heavy, or whatever. You can always change. You can always downgrade your file. You can never increase the quality. That's something you cannot do. So once you are happy with your settings here, you click on the start conversion, and it's gonna convert it. Now I don't want to show you this one. I will show you another one. Also, this one is really interesting for architects or engineers that works with CAD or CAD. It's a particular format that it's used for architecture, plan and sections, creating technical drawings and so on. And usually I am a designer, I use AutoCAD, and you have the possibility here to convert the DWG files. And well, you can also do this with other types of file, DXF, DWG. You also have other options, and basically here you have the opportunity to downgrade your file into a previous version. And why this is useful? Because sometimes, for example, maybe my client has a 2010 AutoCAD, and I have produced maybe a 2021 file. So if I send him a 2021 file, he won't be able to open it if he has a previous version. So this is why it's useful here. So he can convert it to a previous version, or I can convert it and then send that to him. And again, I will just have to drag and drop and to start conversion. Now let me show you something real simple here. For example, you can just convert a JPEG into the same format. This is another option. You can convert one format into the same format. Here you have all the image converter, ebook converter, and all of these different types of converting tools. So let's say I want to convert to JPEG. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, now if I select a file which is still a JPEG, I can still convert it. So let me select, for example, let me see here. Okay, I want to convert this file here. Now let me open it. It's gonna take not so long because it's a simple image. Now this is the original size, the actual size, which is in kilobyte, and I can also decrease this size by decreasing the quality. You see here you have a lot of converting options. For example, I can change the quality. Now if I don't care about the quality too much, but I need more compression, I need a smaller file, I will definitely select best compression. And here also I can decide how much I want to convert. Let's say I want the best compression, and also I can change the size in pixels. I can create another file, and well, you can also make more files. You can do more conversions, not just one. So you can try all these different options until you find what you were looking for. Now I want to set here, for example, here 1900. So it's gonna get old probably. My image is gonna look old. I can change the resolution, and also I can crop from the top, from the bottom, from the right, from the left. Well, I can do basic operations here to edit my image. Okay, now I have my image. Let's say start conversion, and this is what's gonna happen every time you convert something. Once it's finished, it's gonna appear down there, and it's gonna get into the download folder. Or if it doesn't download it automatically, you can click here on this button to download it manually. You can download as a zip file, you can get it into the cloud, you can convert again the original file, you can further convert your converted file, and basically that's it. Now let's see this. Let's open it up, and there you go. Yeah, it's looking like with this old effect here. So it's okay. I can do many more tests here to check all these other converters. Well, I think this is a pretty good website that can be useful for many occasions. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. This is our YouTube channel. If you want more English video about graphic design or 3D design or video editing and other stuff, you can go here in the English video course sections in the playlist, and you can check all our video courses here. If you want more guides about other websites, you can go down at the bottom of the page. You will find more video guides for PC, software, open source, web, smartphone, and many more. And also please support us with the community page, where you can see our different projects here. And also you have some links that can get you to do a small donation, or also you can support us with the store. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.